Welcome to Rome Tips. Be sure to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. All the links mentioned in this comparison are down in the description below. This overview reflects my personal experience using these platforms. Goldman Sachs and Truist Financial, which one comes out on top? This video breaks down the key differences between these two financial institutions to help you determine the best fit for your specific needs. For a deeper dive, check out the links to their products and services in the description. Goldman Sachs has built a reputation as a powerhouse in investment banking, asset management, and trading services. This makes it a popular choice for high-net-worth individuals and large corporations. Their flagship offerings, such as Marcus by Goldman Sachs, provide a suite of financial tools, including savings accounts, personal loans, and wealth management resources, all designed to help customers maximize their financial growth with competitive returns. Goldman Sachs is particularly well-suited for individuals and businesses seeking specialized investment strategies, comprehensive financial planning, and access to premium institutional banking services. Their renowned expertise in high-level investment strategies makes them a compelling option for those managing significant assets or engaging in complex financial transactions. Truist Financial, born from the merger of BB&T and SunTrust, stands as one of the largest regional banks in the United States, offering a comprehensive range of financial services. These include checking and savings accounts, mortgages, personal loans, and credit cards. Truist prides itself on exceptional customer service and provides innovative tools like Truist One Checking for daily banking needs and Truist Wealth for tailored financial planning and wealth management. It's an excellent choice for individuals and small businesses looking for a more accessible and personalized banking experience. Truist is dedicated to providing integrated financial services with a strong focus on community engagement and a client-centric approach. So, which institution reigns supreme? If your needs lean towards advanced investment banking, sophisticated asset management, or comprehensive wealth-building tools, Goldman Sachs is likely the better choice. However, if you prioritize a regional bank deeply rooted in the community, offering a wide array of readily accessible banking products and services, Truist Financial may be the perfect fit. Both institutions deliver excellent services, so carefully consider which aligns more closely with your individual financial goals and preferences. Be sure to explore the links in the description for more detailed information.